Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your finances with QuickBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and sign into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Click on the menu icon to access various sections. Select expenses to manage your outflows effectively. Here, you can add and categorize expenses. To create a new expense, click on the New Transaction button. Choose the expense option from the drop-down menu. Input the vendor's name and select the payment method. Enter the payment date and the amount spent. Assign a category relevant to the expense type. Add any necessary attachments, such as receipts. Review the information for accuracy and click Save and Close. Next, go to the Invoices section to track your income. Click on the New Invoice button to create a new entry. Fill in your customer's details and the items or services provided. Specify the invoice date and payment terms. Review the total amount and ensure everything is correct. Click Save and send to dispatch the invoice directly to the customer. Now, manage your financial health with reports. Go to the Reports tab on the left menu. Choose Profit and Loss to see how your business is performing. Set the date range for your report to view specific time frames. Analyze the data presented to understand your income and expenses. To protect your financial data, regularly back it up. Navigate to the Settings icon in the upper right corner. Select Backup Data to create a backup copy. Store your backup in a secure location. Finally, make it a habit to reconcile your accounts monthly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.